All right, guys. Sorry we didn't make this clear, but I wanted to answer all of the top questions that you guys have been asking, and they're all related around MIDI files. First thing is we open presets here, and we have added a new thing to be very clear. Ready-made templates, no MIDI, 20 drum grooves, MIDI files. If you don't see this new naming convention, go into your downloads and download the newest version 1.0.2. This is the factory sample version 1.0.2. Re-download it and you will see this. A lot of guys are opening this and they're like, there's no MIDIs because these are templates, okay? The MIDIs are here. So how do you get to a MIDI? Well, they're MIDI grooves. They're right here. You click here, and here is the MIDI browser. You click the MIDI browser, and then here's where the MIDI files are, all right? Now, let's go to a template with no MIDIs. Question is, how do you load MIDIs? Well, you go to the MIDI browser and you hit import. So how do you import MIDIs? Click on the MIDI file browser. You see there's nothing there. You hit import folder. There's a folder, it's import, and all of the MIDIs are here. Select it, delete it, or you can drag and drop individual folders, individual files like this. And there you go. Here's the MIDI. And that's how you import MIDI. You can use this import or you can drag and drop.